Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to edit videos quickly and easily using the VEED AI. Whether trimming clips, adding effects, or improving the audio, the VEED AI makes video editing simple. First, go to VEED AI on your web browser, then click the Get Started or log in to your account. Click the Create New Project and upload your video file. You can also choose from stock videos, images, and audio within the vid. And also, you can use the timeline editor to cut out unwanted parts. Drag the edges of the clip to trim it to the desired length. You can also split the clip to rearrange or delete the section. And also, you can click on Effects tab to add the filters, overlays, and motion effects. Go to Transitions and choose the smooth transition between clips. Select the clean audio to remove the background noise, adjust the volume, fade in or fade out effects, then add music. You can also click on the text to add the caption, titles, or lower thirds. Use the auto subtitles to generate subtitle automatically. And then after that, click export and choose the desired quality. It's either HD, Full HD, or 4K. Download your final video and share it directly to social media. And the VEED AI makes video editing easy and intuitive interface and AI powered tools. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can create a polished video effortlessly. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. Thanks for watching!